Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got a Walmart Ibotta haul for you. Got 10 rebates. I did get a bonus, guys. I got the Harvest midweek bonus for doing 18 offers, $5. And I said, thank you very much, Ibotta. So I did it in separate trips, guys. So the first rebate I found was the Nitro Cold Brew by Starbucks. Yes. This was priced $3.28. It's actually got 2 rebates attaching to it. It's got a $1.50 rebate attaching to it. And it also has the Starbucks Cold Brew for $1.25 is attaching to it. Now, it was in a cooler, but not the big soda coolers, but sitting on the outside of it in a little smaller cooler. All right, so that's where I found that up at the registers, guys. The next rebate I decided to do, this time I got the Ignite energy drink, the Kill Cliff. I got this the other day. I got it again, and the rebate reset at a higher value. So it was priced $2.48. The rebate is for $2. The final cost is 48 cents, guys. That is amazing. The next rebate I decided to do was on the Ecos yogurt. This is a Greek yogurt, blended Greek yogurt, in fact, $1.06. There is 75 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost of 31 cents. I thought that was a good deal. Next, I decided to get the Chobani. The Chobani Greek yogurt. Now, this is a BOGO, a buy one, get one. Rebates, you must purchase the 2. They're $1.22 each. You're going to pay $2.44 in store. You're going to get $1.22 back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.22 for the 2. I think that's a great deal. I got the blackberry and strawberry banana. So hopefully my husband will take those and eat those in his lunch. The next rebate I decided to do was on the Suave. I got the Suave complete. And this is, what scent is this? This is Morning Sun. Let's see what Morning Sun smells like. I'm pretty sure I've probably gotten this before. Yeah, that does smell good. That's got a good smell to it. Now, the Suave was priced $2.97, 60 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $2.37, guys. Yes. Next, I decided to get the Werther's Originals. This is the Chewy Caramels. These were priced $2.18, 75 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.43. Next rebate, guys, I got the Cracker Barrel. The Cracker Barrel sharp yellow cheese in the block. Okay, I have been trying to get this rebate, guys. When this rebate was out before some months ago, for some reason, none of the ones that were in my store would attach to my rebate. So I was so shocked when it actually attached today. I'm quite surprised. It's priced $3.18, $1.25 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.93. So this will probably go in Richard's mac and cheese for Thanksgiving. Yeah. Next, I decided to get the Tropicana Juice. I got the Tropicana Caribbean Sun, price $2.28, 50 cents from Ibotta. Final cost $1.78. And they actually had a frosted coconut martini recipe attached to here. That's interesting. Then I decided to get my Lysol. The Lysol Clean Toilet Bowl Cleaner, price $1.92, 50 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.42. All right, guys, let's go over the numbers. Everything cost me $21.79, guys. I got back $10.32 in actual rebates. That dropped my cost down to $11.47. I got my $5 bonus back, making my final cost $6.47, or about 65 cents each per item. I think that was great. I was pleased with that. Yes, I am glad I was able to actually finish my bonus. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to finish it, and I was like, oh boy, if I don't finish it, you know what Ibotta about to do? They about to be like, we're going to give you $1. Yeah, that's how they do. So So you know what? Another thing I wanted to mention to you guys, have you looked at the app? It did allow me to move my money from Ibotta to my PayPal. So that is fixed, thank goodness. And the app looks a little different. Have you noticed that now when you actually redeem your receipt, it shows your items that you have clicked from your list, and you've got to hit the drop down arrow to show the items that you actually just redeemed your receipt for. Okay, it tells you the amount, but you need to hit the little drop down arrow for it to pop, bring down the actual rebates that you just scanned the receipt for. So just keep that in mind, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you are not already a member of the Coupon Crew, and you would like to be a member of the Coupon Crew, of course, because we're about our coins over here, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you would not miss a video, guys. I appreciate you so very much, lovely people. I hope you have an amazing day on tomorrow. And remember, click to save. You will be amazed. And can you also give me a thumbs up? That helps my channel. Lets everybody get to see the videos, okay? Hopefully. All right, that's it, guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.